Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Yo, it's crazy, guys. I got my family out here fishing with me today. This is something that don't usually happen every day. So let's keep seeing what they do, guys. Hold the line. Well, yeah, hold it with your finger. Push the bell over.
You doing everything?
Yep, come on down to the water. And you ready to cast it out. So this is what you do. By the time you get ready to cast it out, let the finger go. Yeah, so the line will go out.
Oh,
Well, guess what? You got to hold it a little longer.
Okay.
Cast the foot out. You got to cast it out though. Come here, Johnny.
wait, how am I get me recording?
Just figure out how to fish first and then we can do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Watch out for the class.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you. Get down here.
Scuba.
Johnny, come on down here. Come down here. Come down here. Huh? Yeah, when you throw it out, remember, when you wind it in, you got to wind it in with a little speed.
Okay.
Let me show you.
I got it. Pretty fast. I did use the
Okay,
fish.
come on. Come down here. Okay? Since you got your finger, Johnny, come down here with a flat hat. It ain't lifted here, that's going to hurt.
Okay, scoot over. Turn with his Tyler.
Okay. Well, what you going to hit Tyler for? Okay, now.
Push this back.
Push it over. That's right. You got to push it. Okay.
I
Look,
did push it over.
Johnny, this is what you do. You do it like this. By the time you get here, you move your finger.
But aren't we too close to each other?
Okay.
Well, don't swing it to the side. Just go over your
No,
shoulder.
you can stay where you at, Tyler.
All you gotta do is go over your head, not out.
Put down the hand right there. And go
I
like
know, but I'm saying like our screen won't touch in the water.
this. Don't worry about all that.
All right.
There you go. Now you got to do it hard. See, Journey know what to do. Tyler, you know what to do. All right, Joshua.
Scuba.
Joshua, what you doing with my bait cast?
We don't like real minute.
Joshua, you know how to catch these things out. See? It ain't nothing to it. When that button go all the way down,
How fast you get that one?
it ain't going that fast. If it was a jet, it'd be a different story. Oh, okay. See, they follow you in and they bite. This feel like a bass here, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I got him close. Oh wow. Woo. Good gracious.
Oh wow.
I might be the one Joshua lost. It was about his size.
Oh wow.
I told you to fish out here.
Damn. Wow, it's really stuck in there, ain't it?
They'll come out. You have to wiggle them and play with them. See?
Tough fish you take home and eat it.
I used to. I need to start back doing it.
Yeah,
Yeah. You ain't gonna get them no fresher.
damn.
Yeah, these hooks are.
That little hard. That little.
These hooks are very sharp.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, I'd say that they are. Oh shoot, man, don't hurt it. Oh, it's a female too. Oh shoot, she get eggs.
There we go.
Let me see.
Wait a minute. Let me show it off first. Hold it right there.
Oh shoot. That's my fish right there.
Woo!
I caught that.
Wait a minute.
Nah, go ahead and throw it back.
Joshua, huh?
Go ahead and throw it back.
All right. Let's get her back, y'all.
Take a picture of it. Hold on. Take a picture of that.
And send it to me. You ain't gotta be so close, Joshua.
You got eggs, bro. Look at that. Go ahead and put that female back.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming out to play, buddy.
That's cool how they take over.
Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. Throw it out. Let it hit the bottom. Bring it in. Why are you throwing that way?
You got to keep winding it. You can't let it sit.
Hook the bait on that.
So what?
Hook the bait. I thought it was seaweed.
Wind it faster, Joshua.
Who the one that caught a fish?
All right.
Oh, okay.
Hey, is the door locked?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Lord, man. Oh, I got one. He picked it right up. He'll wind this in, Journey. Put that down, wind this in. There you go. Wind it, Journey, wind it. He up there. Wind it, he up there.
Oh, he is up here. Wait. Where?
He was up there.
Oh, but he up there anymore.
He got off.
They get all quick.
Did it work?
Is he gone?
Yeah, I think he gone. I think.
You have one job, Johnny.
I didn't see his thing. Oh, wait. No. I think it's up there.
Wind it in, Journey.
That's it. I think it's up there.
She got one, Tyler.
That's it.
She got one. She brought it in. Good shot, Johnny. Johnny got the first one on the bait.
Hey!
The first
Get
one.
my picture! Get my picture! Rebecca, get my picture!
Wait a minute, she come. Wait. Tyler can do it.
No, get my picture!
Tyler gonna do it. Let Tyler do it. I gotta tie him back up.
Hey!
She got her first fish, guys. She got her first fish.
There you go.
Thanks, Tyler. See, Tyler know how to take your pictures and stuff. Let's see. I gotta tie Tyler back up.
Oh, now get my video. Look, you guys!
Wait.
Look, you guys! Got my first one! He's so cute. Okay, let's get back in the water. Let's get him back in the water.
Huh? Oh, okay. Hold on.
So you won't die.
This is the fence.
I know. He's so cute.
Wait a minute. Want to throw him in the water?
No, not really. I ain't got my gloves.
Journey.
What?
Hold up. Don't pull it in.
What? I'm not.
Let it go. Let it go down.
It is down.
Oh, once you hook with the hook. Grab onto him with your thumb. Just throw him back in the water. He don't have teeth though. There's no teeth there. He just brushes. Right. Excuse that.
You do it, Tyler. Come do it.
I ain't never took the fish.
Ta-da.
He said, it ain't nothing to it. Just grab him right
He
there.
ain't got no teeth.
Throw him right back in the water. He ain't got teeth. Oh, you can grab him right there.
Right here.
Huh? Hey, I tell you what. Put your thumb right there and do like this. Yep. Then you throw him right back in the water. Look, why you been waiting? I thought Johnny was going to record you.
I was trying to keep it.
Did that quick, boy.
My bad, Jay.
Journey got on her second fish. Look at that. All right, right there. All right, let me get them off for you. Hold the pole right there. Go, Journey. Go, Journey.
Come on, Tyler, you the
Oh,
thrower.
Journey, pull it down, cause you gonna hook me. All right, you wanna throw it back, Journey?
Come on, Tyler.
Here you go. Just grab her right there and throw it back. That's it. He can't hurt you. I got hand sanitizer in the truck. Go ahead. Yeah. Yo, you don't need no gloves. You're in the wilderness today. Joshua, they're on this side. You hear them out there playing? See them?
GoPro, start recording.
Do that, Josh.
GoPro, start recording.
That might be a big turtle.
What's a turtle?
I said it might be a turtle. This thing is big one.
What? What? What's a turtle?
Probably sick.
I don't know what this is.
Probably sick.
It's dead weight, so it's got to be a turtle or a stick or something.
It's probably sick.
Probably a stick.
Man, if this is a big bass, oh, what in the world is that?
It's a stick, dude.
Yeah, that's a stick.
Yeah, let it get to the bottom, right? Big stick.
All right. I got Matt with me, known as the
Backlash
He's
fisherman.
living up to his name, guys, already. He got a nice one. I'm gonna have to follow him. He got a nice one.
He's foul hood.
But that's okay. You still got him.
He's still a nice one.
Okay, Matt got on his first one. Well, second one. First one got away. Second one on the bank. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, really? Uh-oh. Go ahead, Curtis.
I ain't say nothing because I was like, man, when I say something about my mouth on it, I always lose it.
Oh,
So I ain't say a thing.
bass too. Look at that, y'all. Curtis got on his first one, y'all. Oh, man. Good shot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Silver black back.
I got silver and
Blue and black
blue
back.
black, teal or whatever you
Blue
want to call it.
back.
Yeah.